Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get your Squarespace website on Google. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here, under which we can find all the websites that we own and that we can access. And guys, what we want to do is find the website that we want to get started sponsoring on Google and putting it on Google. So you want to open it up by clicking the website option right here. That's going to open it up in this preview mode. And now guys, here we can take a look at all the options we have, such as our website settings, products, content, and so on. But now we want to get started. So here at the top of the screen, we're going to be using this search button. Basically guys, to be able to put your website on Google, all you need to do is to go ahead and make a good SEO. So guys, type in the search option right here, SEO, and this is going to enable us to go ahead and open up our marketing settings. So go ahead and open up your marketing settings under which we can find the SEO appearance. So go ahead and open it up, and guys, as you can see, this is going to enable us to make sure that our website is optimized for search engines such as Google. So here you want to go ahead and take a look at that. You can hire an SEO expert and so on. You can make your Google search keywords right here. So you can see these are the keywords that are often for Google. So you want to go ahead and open up your marketing settings and go ahead and edit your SEO into the perfect one so that people will be able to find your website when they search for something that is related to your website. Make your title format right here, description, and so on, and set it all up. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.